connect this shoulder with this knee. I have a pillow here which I want to take it, but because he was like that, this time we just shift the hand underneath and we connect it with the knee. So that's when I say we need to be smart moves, but not that it always works, because in his case we had to shift so many times, because that's how baby they come. They don't come with your own prescription. And then in the back we just shift his leg over the other one, and now we rotate it here, and now I will cover his bum so we don't see his bum. Beautiful bum. So what you want to do is make sure that his tippy toes, can you see them? Are out there.
Okay.
Like so. Into the fold of his leg. Cool. So we will move our pillow more into here, but we need to shift him down a bit too. So my pillow comes from the back in front here to lift this leg up and lift his bum. That's why we call it bum up, because we lift it up. Take out all the stuff. So he's pretty settled in here. In the back he's okay. We make this beautiful. I like to always cover his tushy in this pose. This works. Oh, it's hot. Beautiful. Now we need to bring his in here, but before I do that I will take a safe shot. All right?
Okay.
Because he's not too bad, but he's not good either. But we take the safe shot so we have something. So he's not bad. And then you can take a shot from the top with the rolls.
Oh.
Cool. And now
Nice.
we do the slow movement of his face. We still want the face towards you, towards the camera. We want that little cheek coming out. We want his chin connected with the elbow, with the shoulder. And we bring this on here.
Okay.
Cool. So, oopsie daisy, in order to hold that leg, I bring it on like that. Cool. So this is perfect, but he's a little bit too scrunched down there. And I know why, because I have so many pillows underneath him that I need to work it out a little bit. I need to push my pillow a little bit more in the back. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Almost there. Now I need his head forward a little bit. Yes. And grab some of this out. Oh, that was a good one. We got a good pillow. It's okay, because I can grab this down. It's all a mess in there. Doesn't matter. Cool. Here we go. And now, just need to drop him a little bit in there. That's it. There we go. That's a big one. And this hand, we hide it in the back. Right, so we take a shot from here. This shot I go over upside down like this,